Okay guys, Dad's gonna go to Aldi and get some breakfast and pick up a few groceries. While we're waiting, we'll have a race. Well, you're already ready for your race, are you? You ready? Stop! Ah, got you. Bit edgy. Go! You came last. You have been drawing on your face.
Chandel was in second place.
You've got texture on your face. What have you done? One. Second? Who came second?
Shane.
Oh, yeah, I thought it was third.
I went second. Dad, what up
Got muffins? Chocolate chip, blueberry.
I like blueberry.
Put it here, everyone can have one. Who likes chocolate chip?
Easy.
Let me feed you today. You just like muffins.
She's gonna do big mess. It's gotta be good, huh?
She's off. Off she goes.
Get your elephant.
You're funny. Alright, let's go to the beach. Get some lunch before we go to the beach. Chandel, you hungry yet? Oh, they got a fridge here for $3.50. How many stars is it? Let's have a look. How many stars on it?
How much is it? Imagine if a cat hangs its neck out.
Luna would fit in that.
Yeah, Luna would chew it.
Alright, back to the energy rating. Oh, there you go. 4.5 stars. Not too bad. Hey, do you want to get one of these fridges?
Oh, yeah, that's pretty good.
4.5 star. Just to put upstairs and put our drinks and fruit in it.
Ah, that's a good one.
Instead of having to go downstairs every time you want an apple.
Measuring yourself up to the
Right, who's carrying it?
Are we just buying this or something else?
Oh, we'll go Woolworths.
Oh, look at the muffins.
Got it? Alright, that way. Don't push that over.
Already nice. Where are you?
You can just grab the straps if you want.
Oh, look at that. I don't need to bring my trolley anymore. Look at these muscle piece, eh? Yep.
Oh, we came for lunch and we leave with the fridge and no lunch. What's happening, baby?
We actually got muffins.
3-year warranty.
Slow down and watch your step back.
Watch out, Chandel. Come here, baby.
I think we put happy sides there. Or like. Just put it on like.
Hey, look you guys here.
Right, getting lunch, take 2. No distractions this time, silly.
Yeah, you made us carry it.
What do you mean, Major?
Well,
You
I
wanted to go.
volunteered.
Yeah, you volunteered. That's
You
right.
paid for it. Yeah, you paid for it.
Free fruit for kids. Yeah, you want to hold that one?
Why don't you get tiger bush?
Where are they? Oh, right in front of me. I didn't see them.
No, it's crisp though. Is it heavy?
I was looking at the back like this. Looks like donuts.
Yeah, I thought we should have
Let's put them back.
Let me go to baby.
Bye, Princess. Give Shanda a
It's open. Here we go. What do you want? Salami, ham, or both? Oh, we forgot the lettuce. Who's going to be my lettuce getters? Orison and Oriel. Go grab 2 packs of lettuce. You know the mixed one? With the bits of carrot and cabbage?
You know the one.
Right, we'll get leg ham. 2 leg ham. 2 salami. And lunch is done.
Let's go.
You got it? Yeah, that's the one. Oh, we need juice for Bubs. Yeah, you're lucky. Yeah, we have in the car. $43.55 for lunch. What happened? You only brought 1 skate. Shalay brought 1 skate for her. That's alright, you can land on one.
Come on, let's go skating.
There's lots over there. Where are they gone? That too. Oh no.
What happened? Only 1 skate.
Yeah, that's how you learn good, girl. Yes, this is how.
Yeah, you're learning like that, Chandel.
Watch the poop.
Yeah, that's it.
You saw a dolphin. What happened? Orison fell down. Chandel's watching you. What happened, Chandel? You hungry?
Tell me when mine
You got no front teeth. The other one will come out in a minute. No. Where are the others? Eating and skating? Here they are. Any midges? I've gotten bitten. You getting bitten? Lauren's gotten bitten. Ariel just found a screw. How many screws have you got? 3. Oh, Ariel's found one. Oh, you found it, did you? It was Chalice that found it. Well, at least you got it.
You can still ride.
Have you got those Allen keys to put it back on? Off the wheel. Lucky Chalice found the other screw. Yeah, I found them, but we didn't bring it. Baby likes it in here. Oh, she's gonna take that. Did you just put that in front of her? Is that baby's smorgasbord, is it? Holding her back.
Do you want some?
There you go.
Here you go, Warren.
So follow that.
Give us something to eat. Oh, look. It's a game. I don't think she's hungry.
Oh, now she's eating one.
Oh, look at the wheels. Ladybug's landing on us.
Oh, that didn't last long.
Oh, eats that one, chucks the other one.
No, because it's too big to chuck
Are you ready to move on, or what shall we do?
Yeah, I'm gonna go shortly once they finish eating.
You guys finish, grab a drink. Janae's still eating. Put that in your sandwich. Oops, flew away. Too bad. Okay, we've got a ladybug on the baby. It's
That's
landing
her
everywhere. Look at it.
It's got fly.
Someone's
This
got it.
ladybug. Where'd it go? Here it is. Oh, it's here.
There you go, the sandwich.
That's yours, is it? That's Azrael's.
Azrael's gonna eat.
There's
That's
it.
Azrael's.
Don't see. Oh, there it is.
Don't fish it. Gentle.
Oh, flew away. I don't think I got that. Flew away.
Nectarine. Didn't have much
Not
again.
much. No mangoes either.
Oh. At least we got something to put in here. In the fridge.
Put it in your fridge. 30 how much?
$33.
That's a bit much for that.
Hungry yet? Right, come over here if you're hungry. Sheena's serving up.
We're having, what are we having? Stag rice. Stag chili rice.
Chili con carne.
Baby's never had this before. You're hungry. Right.
Yes, and you're next.
If I put this plate, you're going to be very hungry. There you go.
She's letting you feed her today.
She's hungry, that's right.
What movie are you watching?
This is for you get chili and make mushroom.
Put it in front of you, baby.
I know how to make mushroom.
You eating up?
Yep.
Make sure they're even, that's it. You're stabbing and eating it. That's cheating.
That's a smart line.
No, I do like that. No, you do like that. You eat that rice. It's easier to eat rice in a bowl.
Alright, it's upstairs, but we don't have an extension lead to get the power in the corner, so we'll set it up tomorrow.
Yeah, we can do it tomorrow. But we have to buy the extension lead, doesn't it?
Yeah. Bunnings. Kmart.
Look
5-year
forward to setting it
compressor
up with
warranty.
fruit and waters and
3-year normal warranty, 5-year compressor. That's not bad.
Good. It's a good buy. 242 litre, isn't it?
$350.
That's
Goodbye.
that's a good one. Hopefully, that should be good.
You can get the freezer to go with it, but we don't need it.
No, yeah.
Pigeon
I
pear.
thought it was a great size, to be honest. Usually get bar fridges about that big, and you really can't put anything in there. But this is just the perfect size.